My name's Courtlan Vukasin. I'm the account manager for Fishers Technology in Missoula, Montana. Working at Fishers is different than lots of places I've been, and people say it over and over, and I think our clients feel it. It comes down to the culture. We make sure that all of our team members are the right fit, not just internally, but for our clients as well. If my job had a theme song, all the small things I'd blink 182. And it just ties into the beginning of building relationships with customer, in that there's all sorts of small details that you really need to dial into and just understand for their environments to make sure you're making the right recommendation, telling them the hard things that they don't know. My go-to coffee order is, I'm afraid, it's kind of basic. It's just black coffee. But I think the real question is, how much black coffee do I have in a particular day? It also depends on the day. One of the first questions I'd ask a client to understand their tech needs and their environment is, how does their technology currently impact their day-to-day business operations, their ability to make money, and more importantly is when it's not working correctly. So when they're having IT issues or their printers are managed in-house and consistently having problems, how does that impact their day-to-day and of course their bottom line? My favorite part about being an account manager here at Fishers especially is being able to get out and meet the clients or the potential clients on my introduction walk-ins. People come from all different walks of life, and I'm a talker. I take up too much time from people sometimes, but just getting to know them, know their businesses, it's all very interesting to me, and you build relationships through the community. Even from a simple walk-in, and you see someone at a game and you say hi, and it's just ongoing. So I'd say that's my favorite part, working with Fishers.